Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to hide your match history from other people guys. So first of all guys, I will need to go ahead and open your Riot Games clients and then open your account and launch the game. After that, I will tell you this. Guys, literally nobody can see your match history, which is your career, unless they were your friends. So let's say, for example, I went to this game and I went to the scoreboard and I searched, for example, for this guy over here. I can't really check his match history. Even if I want to career, there is no search bar or something like that to be able to search for his account. So literally nobody can see your match history unless it was someone from your friends list. So for example, I have friends list here. For example, let's go to this one. I can view his career from here. Now this is his match history and I can see whatever he got. And I can see his act rank, even his previous ranks, and so go on. So the only or one of the only ways to hide your match history is to not have any friends in your friends list. The second way of hiding match history or the custom game match history is by going to play and then from here you go to custom game. After that you just invite your friends, etc. You put your mode, map, server, etc. and so go on, and you go to options. You just have to ignore all of these, go all the way down, and here click on hide match history, make it on. So basically whatever game you play on this mode, it will not be appeared in your match history. So if you had the shameless lose or something like that, you can just hide it like nothing happened. So you just have to turn it on here, and if you wanted to turn it off, you just have to turn it off back from here. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.